Hi, I'm Danny Solano. I'm from Miami, Florida. I specialize in contemporary, but I'm trained in various disciplines.
Hi, my name is Brandon Chang. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Miami, Florida, and I've been dancing for 10 years.
Hi, I'm Danny Solano, and this is my assistant, Brandon. Right now, we're going to break down the intermediate contemporary combo titled Revival. Throughout the combo, I'll be breaking down different positions and movements to ensure that your students are performing to their maximum ability. Let's get started. You're going to start by sitting on the floor in an Indian-style position with your right leg in front and grabbing your right ankle. You're going to make sure that your head is down, but your back is fully aligned and you're not hunched over. You're going to hold the first four counts of the music and look up on 5, 6, 7, grabbing your heart on 8. You're going to release your legs and your arms on 1, touch the floor on 2, grab your right knee on 3, left knee on 4, look up on 5, flex and push your leg down on 6, bring it up on 7, and hands on the floor on 8. On 1, you're going to release your pelvis up and tilt your head back, bring it back to neutral position on 2, turn to your feet on 3, 4. Roll up on 5, 6, walking forward with your right 7, left on 8. You're going to turn over your right shoulder and bring your right foot back, releasing your arms open on 1. Round them on 2 and drop your heels. Head back 3, arms back on 4. You want to make sure that your elbows are bent and your wrist is really flexed to ensure a strengthening position. On 5, you're going to step back with your right and drop your head. Bring the left leg in 6. Grab your right hand on 7 and face the back on 8. You land it to the back with your arms up on 8. On count 1, 2, you're going to open your arms, bring your right foot to a forced arch, and look to your right. On count 3, you're going to releve with your arms together and drop down on 4. But remember that all this choreography is facing the back. So you're going to have your arms up on 8, release 1, 2, up on 3, drop 4. You're going to roll up in 1 count, 5, take 2 steps to the front, leaving your head behind, 6, 7, and passe to turn out on 8. Step behind on 1, drag on 2, step 3, 4, rond de jambe en l'air, 5, 6, release 7, arm up on 8. You're going to dip down 1, 2, bringing your arms to your neck, releve and flex on 3, release it back 4, go to the floor 5, 6, and flip over your hips 7, 8. You're going to bend your elbows on 1 and also bend your left leg. You're going to sit to the back on 2, 3, come to your feet 4, 5, and roll up on 6. You're going to release your right arm and shift your weight to the right on 7, and then center it out on 8. Release your arms 1, and body roll up 2, 3, until your arms are rounded 4 with the right arm up. You're now going to create an illusion, bringing your right arm under your left and dragging for 2 counts, 5, 6. Then face back, 7, 8. On 1, you're going to wrap your right, wrap your left on 2, releve 3, step forward with the right 4, step 5, kick up on 6, drop 7, and roll up 8. You're going to step back with your left, releasing both arms open into a lunge position, 1, 2. Touch the floor, 3, 4. Go to a push-up position, 5, 6. And bring your tailbone back onto your feet, 7, 8. Shift your weight on 1, kick up on 2, drop the leg 3, and swing it 4 to get off the floor, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to rebound your arms on 1, 2 in a releve position. Face front 3, 4. All the way around 5, 6, and roll up 7, 8. Release the right arm 1, left on 2, grab it 3, and bring it to your mouth 4. Do a big body and head roll for 5, 6, 7, pushing your arms down and face back on 8.